guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I just wanted to share with you part of my tutorial I uploaded on my teaching website. We were talking about how we can rescue previously awful retouched image. We were talking about this image. So this is image we are started with. As you can see, retoucher did a full job. Look at her hair, look at her hand, look at this girl hand, also look at their hair and different sunglasses reflection. And so it's obviously retoucher did a full job. We retouched everything, and this is our final layer. So guys, as I said before, today I will share with you part of my tutorial. My entire tutorial you can purchase on my website. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. Hello guys. Today we will talk about situation when photographer gave her or his image to retoucher to exchange background or to improve the image, but the final result was awful and retoucher did a very awful job. So photographer came to you and asked to rescue his or her image. So this is what we will be doing today. First of all, let me zoom in image and I will show to you all awful retoucher job. Look at her hair, look at her hand, look at her hair, and I'll look at their glasses. All eyeglasses telling different stories, so we will fix it as well. And look all this blurry stuff around her hand. So guys, let's start working on this image. First of all, I will duplicate the layer just to show to you before and after, and I will jump to camera raw filter, just like that. I will zoom in image slightly, just like that, and I will jump to adjustment brush tool. I love adjustment brush. Using adjustment brush, I will start brushing her hair, just like that. Not too much, guys. Just like that. Also here, you can make your brush smaller or bigger. Everything depends of your image, just like that. So I covered entire hair, and what I will do, I will bring exposure down just slightly, just like this, and voila. Maybe I will improve here, just like that. Yes, perfect. And I will click OK. Now let me show to you before and after. So far this is before. Look at her hair, and this is after. Now guys, I will go to camera raw filter again, and we will fix her hair. I will jump back to adjustment brush tool, and I will brush her hair, just like that, guys. And maybe here, just like that. Perfect. What can I do? I can bring exposure up just slightly, guys, and voila. Okay, let me explain to you. Depends of your image, you can adjust all those sliders located in adjustment brush panel. You can make any adjustment you like, any adjustment that will work best for your image. I'm happy with what I'm having right now. I will click OK, and let me show to you before and after. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now guys, I will duplicate my layer, just like that, and I would like to fix her swimsuit here. It's for some reason retoucher overexposed this part of her swimsuit here and here, so I don't know how he or she did it, but it's awful. So what I will do, I will go to filter, camera filter one more time. I will zoom in just like that, and I will click yes, guys, on adjustment brush tool. I will make my brush size bigger, and I will paint over this part of her swimsuit, just like that, and this, just like that. It's much better already, but I would like to fix it. So what I will do, I will bring exposure down, not too much, guys, just like this, and voila. Click OK. Let me zoom out and let me show to you before and after. Much better, right guys? Now let's fix her swimsuit. I will duplicate my layer one more time. Guys, why I'm duplicating my layers all the time? Just because if for some reason I will not like my last step, yes, I can click step undo, 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 but maybe I would like to compare both layers. So guys, it's my style of retouching. I'm duplicating my layers all the time, and I recommend you to do same. So I duplicated my layer, and I will go to filter, camera raw filter one more time. I will zoom in. I will click on adjustment brush tool one more time, and I will start paint her over her part, over this part of her swimsuit, just like that. But it's awful, right guys? Yes. So what I will do, I will bring exposure down, up, I mean, sorry, just like this. It's too much. Just like this. I will bring contrast down. I will bring highlights down. I will increase shadows, but not too much. Slightly, guys, slightly, about -11. Maybe it's too much. About -8. And I will bring whites down. Again, not too much. Just about, probably, let's see, -2. And I will click OK. And let me show to you before and after. See guys, I don't like this part of her swimsuit, so I will delete this layer. I still have my previous adjusted layer. I will duplicate this layer just like that, and I will go to filter, camera raw filter one more time, and I will click on adjustment layer, and I will do everything again. I will paint over this part of her swimsuit just like that. I will bring exposure down slightly. I will increase contrast just like that, and I'm happy. I will click OK, just like this. Let me show to you before and after. Before and after. I love it. So guys, this is what about those white spots over our image. Yes, we still have white spot over this mountain and over seascape. We will fix it in next video. So guys, stay with me, and I will be back just in a second.